Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a dark-themed sign-up page with password strength meter using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project was inspired from Front-End Joe, who did it using React. Please do check him out. Link to his profile is in the description. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we'll download an illustration from Undraw for our sign-up page. I will change the color to lavender to match with the accent color of the page. Also, download DM Sans font from fonts.com. Because they have the font with alternate glyphs, which we are going to need. Extract the variable weighted font from the zip file. Rename the file name to make it simple. Now, let's create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as container. Use an image element to insert the illustration we downloaded earlier. Use the h1 tag to insert the title below the image. Now, create a div element with class as inputs. It will hold the inputs for email and password. Create an input element with class, type, and placeholder as email. Similarly, create an input element for password. Now, create a div element with class as password strength. Inside it, create another div element with class as bars. It will hold the password meter inside it. Create an empty div element inside it. Create a div element with class as strength. It will contain the text depicting the strength of the password. Create a div element with class as button. It will be a sibling to password strength division. Lastly, use script tag to include our JavaScript file. Our HTML is ready. Let's move to the CSS. First, we'll import the Poppins font from Google Fonts. Be sure to select the medium 500 variant. Declare a font face rule to include the DM Sans font. Set the font family name to DM Sans and source to link of the TTF file. Let's do a quick CSS reset. Set the margin and padding to 0. Set box sizing to border box. For the body, set min height to 100 view height. We'll center the container on the screen using display grid and place items to center. Set background color to black. For the container class, set width to 20 rem. Set padding to 2 rem. Set background color to hex code 0E 3 times. Set border radius to 10 pixels. Set color to white. Set font family to DM Sans, Sans Serif. Set font feature settings to SS03, which stands for style set 3, and feature value of 1. Without this setting, you can see the difference between the character G. For container classes image element, set width to 100%. Set object fit to contain. Set margin bottom to 1.5 rem. For container classes H1 element, set font weight to 700. Set margin bottom to 1.5 rem. Set text align to center. For the inputs class, set display to flex. Set flex direction to column. Set gap to 0.8 rem. For inputs classes input element, set height to 2.5 rem. Set padding to 0.5 rem, 1 rem. This will set padding top and bottom to 0.5 rem, and padding left and right to 1 rem. Set border to none. Set border radius to 0.4 rem. Set background color to hex code 17 3 times. Set color to white. Set outline to none. Set font family to DM sans serif. Set font weight to 400. For the password strength class, set display to flex. Set align items to center. Set flex direction to column. Set margin top to 0.4 rem. Set gap to 0.4 rem. For the bars class, set width to 100%. Set height to 0.4 rem. Set background color to hex code 181919. Set border radius to 0.4 rem. Set margin top to 0.8 rem. For bars classes development, set width to 0%. Set height to 100%. Set border radius to inherit. Set transition to width 0.2 seconds, ease. For the strength class, set display to block. Set font size to 0.8 rem. Set align self to flex start. Set color to gray. Set height to 1.2 rem. Set font family to Poppins sans serif. For the button class, set width to 100%. Set height to 2.5 rem. Set padding to 0.5 rem. 1 rem. Set border to none. Set border radius to 0.4 rem. Set background color to same accent color, which we used while downloading the illustration. I'll be using HSL value of the color. Set cursor to pointer. Set margin top to 1.2 rem. Set font size to 1 rem. Set color to white. Set text align to center. Set transition to background color 0.2 seconds. Ease. On button hover, set the background color to a darker shade. For the HSL value, reduce lightness by 8 to 10%. Our CSS is ready. Let's move to JavaScript. First, we will get references to the elements which we need to modify. Using Documents Query Selector method, select the bars classes development. Similarly, select the strength class and password class. Let's write a getPasswordStrength function, which will take a password as argument. Define a tests array, which will contain regular expressions, which we will use to determine the strength of password. The first expression will check if there are lowercase characters in the password. The second expression will check for uppercase characters. The third expression will check for numbers. The last expression will check for anything that is not lowercase character, uppercase character, or digits from 0 to 9. In short, it will check for any special characters in the password. Declare a score variable, with initial value as 0. We will increment this variable when a password passes each of above test. Use the test arrays for each method to loop over each regex. Use the test method of regular expression to check if password passes the test. If it does, we'll increment the score by 1 using short-circuit evaluation of AND operator. If length of password is greater than equal to 12, we will increment the score by 1. Now, the problem is, if password passes any two tests, its strength will be shown as medium, even though it is 2 character long. To fix this, we decrement the score by 1, if password's length is less than equal to 4. Lastly, we'll return the score from the function. Let's write handle input function, which will get triggered when user types the password. It will take an event object as argument. Declare a strengths array, which will contain various strengths of password. It will have 1 weak strength, 2 medium strengths, and 2 strong strengths, but with different colors. Declare a colors array, which will contain color of meter, for corresponding strength of password. The first color will be red. Second will be orange. Third will be yellow. Fourth will be blue. And last will be green. Please do note that the lengths of strengths and colors array must be equal to number of tests the password will be going through. Let's get the password's strength by passing value of event object's target element, which is the password input. Now, if you want the strength to be displayed as soon as the user types the first character, use short-circuit evaluation of OR operator to set the score to 1 if it is 0. We will check if score is greater than equal to 1. This is because range of getPasswordStrength function is from -1 to 5, but the array's index are from 0 to 4. We will set the bar's width to score times 1/5 percentage of its total width. Please note that the 5 here is number of tests. Set bar's background color to the color at index position 1 less than score, since array index start at 0. Similarly, set strength divs in a text based on strengths array. In the else part, set bar's width to 0%. Also set strength divs in a text to empty string. Finally, add an input event listener to the input element. Pass the handle input function to it. Here, our final project is ready. Let's see the preview. It is looking great, and working as expected. So, that's all for today. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. The entire source code for this project is on my Patreon, which can be unlocked for $1. I will see you next time. Till then, good luck, and peace.